Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. I have a hair product to share with you guys today, especially if you color your hair quite often or if it's damaged or dry. But today's video is obviously for colored hair because my hair is colored and we all know how damaging it is to color your hair because you're bleaching, lightening, and then adding the toner. And of course, when you're trying to, redo your roots, or if you want to go a little lighter because you're darker and then go back and forth, it takes a toll on the hair. So if you guys do have color treated hair, damaged, dry, whatever the case may be, I'm going to talk to you guys about this product right here to help treat, repair, and reverse the damage from the coloring, the bleaching, and so forth. So this product was sent to me. Thank you to coco&eve for sending it. And this is their new product. This is the coco&eve Bond Building Pre-Shampoo Treatment. So if you guys ever tried their masks before that went viral all over social media at some point, then you know that coco&eve, their specialty is hair, and to bring healthy hair, bring it back to life, especially when you color your hair and all that damage, right? So again, this is a new product and we are going to talk about this in today's video. So if you guys are interested in it after hearing everything in the video, the link to it is down in the description box below. And just so you guys know, I do make a small commission out of it if you do buy something through that link. I appreciate your support of me and the channel so I can do more reviews for you guys. So again, if you guys are interested, the links and everything is down in the description box below. So before we get started, of course, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you love coco&eve and like their products, and follow me on my Instagram handle right there. And let's get started with the video. And again, for someone that has colored hair, obviously I've gone through the lightening process, the ends have gone through, some stuff. And when you style your hair as well, there's the heat damage from that. So there's a lot of things that can result in damaged hair, not only coloring, but styling as well. But if you do color your hair, it does play a big part of it. So coco&eve developed this new product. Again, this is their bond building pre-shampoo treatment, and you obviously use this before you shampoo your hair. That's the pre-shampoo treatment. So how you would use this, you would dampen your hair first and then you section your hair off with one pump, and to make sure each section is coated. You can use it on the scalp, but this is more formulated for the damaged part of your hair, the ends and the mid shaft usually, right? So I would concentrate there more than the root area. Again, you can use it, but this is more targeted for again, the mid to the end shaft because it's where the most damage is in comparison to your roots. So you would leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then after that you would wash your hair and do your usual routine. And you would use this about 2 to 3 times a week. So of course, consistency is key. You will then see the results of less breakage by 85%, and then you will see your hair be a lot stronger. So getting into more details about the product now. This is now available on the coco&eve website. This retails for 36 Canadian dollars. Not bad for 4.25 fluid ounces. So again, this is mainly targeted for color, chemically treated hair, and to help repair and reverse the damages on it. Usually when you color your hair, not only obviously you lighten your hair, it does break certain bonds as well. So the pre-shampoo treatment is supposed to help repair that. So it's supposed to help repair the disulfide bonds, ionic bonds, and the hydrogen bonds. Other than repairing those bonds, it's supposed to help protect existing bonds so your hair can be stronger, healthier, and more resilient. So of course, with healthy hair, we do need it to shine as well. So there are 2 ingredients in there that will help promote the shine, and they are the pomegranate and apricot oils. So with those 2, it gives a protective layer to prevent moisture loss and breakage. In addition to protecting the hair, it does also help strengthen it as well. It uses coconut and avocado oil, so it helps strengthen and repair damaged hair by providing proteins and vitamins to restore the hair lipid balance. With the bond building technology and all the oils, the coconut oil, avocado, pomegranate help strengthen and protect the hair. And that's definitely what we all need, especially again when we color our hair, when we style it very often with a lot of the hot tools. And another good thing is that when you do use this, it doesn't give like that build-up layer like some of the other products use. When there is a build-up layer, it flattens the hair. It doesn't give like that shine, that smoothness, all the stuff that we want in our hair, right? And again, in time when you guys do use this consistently, you will see that there is a less breakage and your hair will be a lot stronger as well. Like my hair is pretty darn shiny. After using the shampoo treatment, I've noticed that my ends are a lot healthier. Like I should be due for a trim right about now. Not saying you guys use this that you should not go for your quarterly trims, but it definitely reduced the damage right here. There's no split ends. Like again, this is 3, like I think it's like over 3 months now, you guys, there's no split ends at all. I should still go and get my trim, but that's besides the point. You can see there's like less reduced breakage, split ends. Colored hair is very hard and very high maintenance. So if you want to keep your hair healthy, you have to use the correct products that give that hydration, moisture back into your hair. So again, as you guys see, my hair looks a lot shinier, a lot healthier. I hope you guys can notice in this video compared to my other ones, but it does look a lot shinier, a lot better. And also with this, that I've noticed that my hair was less tangled as well. So for me, that's a plus, because the less tangles, the less pulling, the less breakage. Because when your hair is wet, it's more fragile and more prone to break in comparison when it's dry. So when you do brush your hair, make sure you brush your hair from, you know, the ends first and then make your way up. Do not start at the root and pull down, because you can pull a lot more hair and damage the hair a lot more. And also, it didn't change my hair color as well. Some products may affect the hair color slightly, but I've noticed that it's not brassy, not anything. It's still kept its color, which I absolutely love. Like, I was surprised that I saw results very, very quickly after one use. But again, as you guys can see, it's actually really, really smooth, really shiny. You guys, like, look at this, look at that. I don't normally see this. I really don't. Okay, I think I'm having too much fun seeing the shine effect of my hair. Okay, I'm good. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And again, I hope you guys look into the product, especially when you have color treated hair, because we all know it's hard to get healthy hair after you know, lighten so many times, especially when you go from dark to light. And especially when you have balayage, because they are usually the culprits of everything. They look beautiful, don't get me wrong, but they are kind of damaging as well. So if you guys want to repair, restore your hair, make sure it's healthy and shiny again, definitely do a pre-shampoo treatment. So again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!